Hi everybody, this is Thomas from Win Capital, and this is a tutorial on how to find your realized gains report on the Black Diamond client portal. So I've just sent out realized gains or shared realized gains reports with all clients that have those reports for 2017. So you'll have received an email from Black Diamond, and it's possible that this could end up in junk or if you don't see it in your regular email, take a look at junk and see if it's in there. But when you find it, it'll look like this. It will have a link that if you want to go take a look at the report, you can click the View Report link, or you can paste a web address into your browser that is right underneath that text. So there, if you are going to it from your email, that's how you do it. Otherwise, you can go to my website, which is wincapital.com, go to the client portals link and click on Black Diamond, and then there will be a login screen. When you follow the prompts on there, and there's a way to find your username and password if you've forgotten, but once you get to the website, your client portal is going to look like this. This is what it looks like for me if I was a client. And you can scroll down to the documents card, and there's folders and reports, and it's in the report section. So for me, there's no report for this year, so I don't have one. But if you've received an email or you have a realized gains report, there will be a folder that has 2017, and you click on that and the report will be in there. The other way to navigate to the report is this dashboard over here, and that takes you to documents. It's the same, brings you to the card that has either folders or reports. And remember to click the reports button to find this particular report. That is all there is to it. And if you have any problems, you can give me a call or an email anytime. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.